All right, take 612. Got 5, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 pieces of wood here real quick. We're just going to turn into some signs. 10 $20 signs. Probably $20 signs. They're 18 inches long by 5.5. I believe these came from pallets. Some old pallet wood. What we're going to do here, where's my utility knife? You know what? Got my all-purpose utility scissors. How's that? What the hell was that? This one has a little cup in it. So we're going to go ahead and sand these down real quick. And then I'm going to use I'm going to use the old trusty cedar fence panels. They're 1/2 inch thick, which is actually the same as these. I put them on the outside. I'm going to rip these down to around an inch, inch and a half, and build a small little frame around these. Should probably be painted first, but Kelly said don't worry about it. She's just going to go ahead and take care of herself. So we're going to get these done and be a quick project. Really? Keep them putting them down. The hell they cut them with? Oh. Like, oh yeah, that's good enough. Really? All right, so I guess we have to square them up too. Great. Doesn't make no sense. But a minute ago. Slow down. So there's your multiple different sizes, however you want to make it into a cute little sign. All right, so just rinse and repeat 9 more times. There you go. You gotta squeeze it a little hard. You gotta man up there.
You gotta hold that.
What?
You gotta hold it so I can squeeze this.
You're doing too.
Oh my god.
You're just gonna come out there and it's gonna squirt all over. You want me to get started?
Yes.
All right, hold on.
Welcome to Cottage Country. It's full of magic and wonder.